What are your great expectations? Come on,
well, my name is Peter. My name is Peter. My personal experience is that democracy is deteriorating in our country. Unfortunately, those who are the victim of bad governance seems to be fueling it. I've been able to go, listening and around on what is happening. What you see is that they predominantly vote buying to the scale of 20, 30,000, 15,000. The question I ask, for a young person who is unemployed, if he sends his vote for 30,000, what is he going to be paid next month when there's no voting? By selling your vote, you're selling no school, no hospital, no job. You're selling away your future. And that is what is very worrisome. Other countries, even West African countries that are close us, we have observed the election. I didn't see this happening. So for you people who are journalists, you must cooperate. This must be stopped.
Your Excellency, you are not on the ballot in this election, but we know you belong